Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can basically find the train lace skirt on Dress to Impress, aka the what people say the Moongazer dupe. I don't think it is, but you're just going to go here next to the brat and the Christmas and the section, and next to the shoes. So it's in this section right here. You're going to select this outfit on, so put on. As you can see, it's only the top. You're just going to select the toggle here, and instead of having it on the second toggle, select the first toggle, and here is the skirt. Unfortunately, I don't think you can wear it like separately. You can only wear it just like either the top or the set. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.